يا أيها الذين آمنوا اتقوا الله ولتنظر نفس ما قدمت لغد واتقوا الله. Brother, fear Allah and let every soul look to what it has sent for tomorrow. Let every soul look to what it has sent for tomorrow. It is coming. وَلْتَنْظُرْ نَفْسٌ مَا قَدَّمَتْ لِغَدٍ وَاتَّقُوا اللَّهَ. Fear Allah. Fear Allah. Make sure you send something over there that will benefit you. Do not waste your time, because this life is very short and is going to end very soon. It will take you as it took them. إنما الدنيا فنا ليس للدنيا ثبوت إنما الدنيا كبيت نسجته العنكبوت. It will never last. So make this Ramadan count. Maybe it's going to be your final Ramadan. Who knows? My brother and my dear sister, after death, always bear in mind that you will be standing one day before the Majestic Allah. He will bring you and I back to life after death. يوم نطوي السماء كطي السجل للكتاب كما بدأنا أول خلق نعيده وعدا علينا إنا كنا فاعلين. The day that we will roll the heaven, just as you roll book. You see the way you will roll book like that. Allah said on that day He will roll the heavens like that. كما بدأنا أول خلق نعيد. As He started you and I, He will bring us back, He said. And this is the truth. They have doubts. Some don't believe in that. But listen to the Quran. فَلْيَنْظُرِ الْإِنسَانُ مِمَّا خُلِقَ. Let man look to what he is created from. He was created from خُلِقَ مِن مَّاءٍ دَافِقٍ. He was created from a gushing fluid. Where is he coming from? يَخْرُجُ مِن بَيْنِ الصُّلْبِ وَالتَّرَائِبِ. The one that comes from the waist of the man and the chest of the woman. Listen, the one who created you this way. Listen. إِنَّهُ عَلَى رَجْعِهِ لَقَادِرٌ. He is able to bring you back. وَيَقُولُ الْإِنسَانُ أَإِذَا مَا مِتُّ لَسَوْفَ أُخْرَجُ حَيًّا. The non-believer is saying, so are you telling me after death I will come back to life? أَوَلَا يَذَّكَّرُ الْإِنسَانُ أَوَلَا يَذْكُرُ الْإِنسَانُ. Does a man not remember? أَنَّا خَلَقْنَاهُ مِنْ قَبْلُ وَلَمْ يَكُ شَيْئًا. That we created him from the first place when he was nothing. فَوَرَبِّكَ. I swear by your Lord, Ya Muhammad, لَنَحْشُرَنَّهُمْ. I will gather them. I will bring them back to life after death. So prepare. After death, a day will come, you will be standing before the Majestic and you will answer the question. So what did you send over there? What did you send for your tomorrow? What is the answer you're going to give Allah on that day? Brother, on that day, وَكُلَّ إِنسَانٍ أَلْزَمْنَاهُ طَائِرَهُ فِي عُنُقِهِ وَنُخْرِجُ لَهُ يَوْمَ الْقِيَامَةِ كِتَابًا يَلْقَاهُ مَنشُورًا. اقرأ كتابك. Please pass me that book. اقرأ كتابك. Read your book. اقرأ كتابك. On the day of judgment, whatever you sent over there, you will read it in front of Allah. You sent it over there. You did. So whatever you sent over there, اقرأ كتابك كفى بنفسك اليوم. On that day, فمن يعمل مثقال ذرة خيرا يره ومن يعمل مثقال ذرة شرا يره. أقول قولي هذا.